My people, I greet you now. This is our third video, and the name na accounting pikin. Accounting get pikin o. Some people go dey wonder say how accounting go get pikin. Okay, make I tell una accounting get pikin. Accounting get two major pikin sha. Management accounting and financial accounting. I will talk about financial accounting first. That's na the first one. I'm not too sure sha. Financial accounting this accounting where they help prepare financial statements, records where people wey dey inside the organization and people wey dey outside dey use take dey make decision o. They prepare financial information like statement of comprehensive income, statement of profit or loss, and same thing. Balance sheets. All these kind of things I will explain am for later videos, but they prepare all these kind of things for make people wey dey inside the organization and people wey dey outside take dey make decisions, and the work of financial accounting be that. Second pikin of accounting na management accounting, and the work be say wetin e dey do. The way wey financial accounting dey prepare financial information for people wey dey inside and outside. For management accounting na only people wey dey inside and na management take dey prepare account im own information. And e dey tailor made. E no dey follow any standard, any particular standard like financial account wey go dey follow standard. This one na freestyle. You understand? Management accounting na freestyle. E dey tailor made. They go make am to wetin management want and wetin management accounting be. Now, the third one na taxation. This time we talk say they get two major pikin, but other pikin dey sha. Maybe this one na different papa born dem. Third pikin na taxation. This pikin na im be the most favourite pikin. And why she be the most favourite pikin na because say she be the only girl for the family. Una joke o, but I just wan make una try understand my point. We know say for every country we gats dey pay tax, both individual and businesses. The role of taxation for the accounting family na just to help for calculation of tax wey we and businesses go dey pay, and how we go take dey maximize the ogbonge benefits of tax. If you know this taxation well, you no go fit dey scam us o. All those baba ajo and iya ajo dem, omonile dem, all of them, they no fit dey scam us. You understand? You go fit confirm say na the correct tax dey charge you. So na the benefit. The fourth pikin of accounting na auditing. Wetin be auditing work? Auditing work na be say you wan dey check whether company wey dey prepare this financial information dem dey follow the right procedure. You wan dey check whether say this financial information wey dey show the world say omo na we be this o, na wetin we don do be this for the year o. Auditing wan dey check whether na the actual thing wey una do, wey una talk say una do be this, na wetin be auditing work. And auditing make sense well. The other one na forensics accounting. Na still dey na like the last pikin, the newest pikin of accounting. Na last one. Forensic accounting dey like auditing, but the only thing be say, the only difference be say, as e be say auditing go wan catch thief, forensic accounting go wan carry the evidence, present am for court, show judge, convince judge say omo that thief actually thief, or na that company no follow the right procedure, or that company no dey present true and fair view. Na forensic accounting work be this. So na the video, na the lesson wey I don give una today o. Abeg, if you get any question, una try dey comment, I go dey answer una question. And make una no forget to dey answer our quizzes for our Facebook page. By the way, make una follow us. Make una no forget to follow us for our handle for Twitter, Study in Pidgin. Make una subscribe to our YouTube videos, Study in Pidgin, and make una follow us for Facebook, Study in Pidgin. I thank una for lis ten ing to this video. We go see for next video.